Again, these are the steps going down into the garage, which then lead through to 5th Street. Again, this is 1518 5th Street. So now I'm swinging around, and actually we'll go up on the steps, and so I'm now at the kind of most southerly part of the backyard, and you can see this one area here, which is roughly 10 by 30 maybe, and then 15 by 20, and then this area over here, which again is on the eastern property line, is maybe 10 by 20. So there's not a lot of surface area to be remediated. The owner grew up in this area and has actually owned this property since I guess 53, so has a lot of history with it, and says that there's really nothing buried out here that we need to be concerned about. The water lines again run along the western side of the property, and we'll have to be careful on that. We can see that there's some electrical that runs out here and into this shed type area, and we'll have to be real careful because this obviously is not to code. And again, now we're swinging over looking at the home to the east of it, which is I think it's 1514 5th Street, which again is owned by Rafael Hernandez. So Mr. Hernandez owns the property to the east of this particular site, 1518 5th Street, and then owns the property to the west of this site. So all in all, this is a relatively small area that needs remediation, and shouldn't have too many problems. On the other hand, you always have to be careful because these homes go back well before 1950, when the current owner was there. And this particular area that's raised up, apparently there was a number of trees in this backyard in the 50s that they buried here, but Mr. Edgar understands that these are below 2 feet in depth, and we shouldn't come into contact with them.